Welcome to Game 2 of the 2025 TC Blitzball season. Today's game is between the Blizzard, who have a record of 0-0, and my team, the Lumberjacks, with a record of 0-1. Yeah, I'll start the bat toss.
Wait, did we lost?
Yeah, I hit a walk-off home.
Yeah. Hold away.
Oh. Alright, we've got the Blizzard, captained by Leon, facing against the Lumberjacks, captained by Owen here today.
Yeah, so all three teams are involved, 6 players. The Blizzard are kind of the main focus who receive people. So they receive from the Lumberjacks, Christopher and Cooper, both from the Lumberjacks. And then from the Scorpions, they receive Lincoln. Scorpions, they receive from the Lumberjacks, Mateo, who was just signed as a free agent. And then the Lumberjacks receive both from the Blizzard, Drew and Leo. So
that's the second overall pick in there.
Yeah, Drew, the second overall pick.
Leading off for the Lumberjacks will be Drew. He was the second overall pick in the draft. First pitch from Leon is a fastball in the dirt. 4-0. And it's a 5-pitch walk to start the game for Drew. Leon versus Owen. 2 versus 1. First pitch is a strike right down the middle. 0-1 to Owen. Fastball low in the dirt. Leon delivers. Swing and a chopper. Mateo's going to field and get the out at first. Drew to third. All right, Isaac hit in third here for the Lumberjacks. Leon's still on the mound. First pitch is going to be low. 1-0 to Isaac, rookie. Fastball down and through the middle of the zone. 1-1 from Leon. Low again. And he did not go. 3-1. And that gets a piece. 3-2. Here's the 3-2 pitch. Curveball. Misses high. Full count. 4-2. Payoff pitch. Got him. That'll end the inning. Lumberjacks don't score in the first, and the Blizzard will come to bat. Mateo, the first batter at the plate for the Blizzard of the season. It appears Owen will start it out on the mound for the Lumberjacks. First pitch from Owen. Fastball, low and outside. 1-0. And that's a screwball. 2-0. 2-0. And that's low. The fourth pitch is a swing and a miss. Nice fastball there from Owen, and it's 3-1. Yeah, good advice. Curveball. Ooh. Will's playing in at third. 4-1. Swing and a shot. Foul.
4-2.
Contact! Attaboy.
That will make the count full. Here's the payoff pitch from Owen. Swing and a miss. That's out number 1. Swing and a miss. 0-1. Curveball. Outside. Screwball gets the corner.
Holy cow, what a strike.
1-2 is the count. Fastball. Oh, just missed. 2-2. And he just misses to the right in the same spot as last time. He can control the ball. And the count goes full. 4-2, payoff pitch, and it's outside. 1 on, 1 out, and Leon will come up to hit. This is the number 1 versus number 2 player in the league. First pitch from Owen is high. Another 4-seam fastball, misses. 1-0, and that one gets the zone. 1-1, and that hits him. Hits Leon. Leon may just lead this league in hit by pitches. It happens, seems to happen every game. 3-1. Curveball, swing and a miss. Nice 12-6, 3-2. Got him. And that'll end the first inning.
I've seen Carson play.
Carson will come into pitch against Will. First pitch is a ball, 1-0. 5-pitch walk.
All right, Carson.
Fresh count. Runner on first, nobody out. First pitch from Leon is going to just miss outside. Blizzard looking to get something here. And it's a 5-pitch walk for the second time in a row. And Owen is coming up to the plate. 10 balls for Drew, and Owen swings and misses. Curveball. Whoa.
That was a setup pitch.
Yep. Now he's going to go low. That's going to be popped foul. 1-2 pitch. Ooh, that one cut inside. And it's even at 2-2. 2-2, just missed. Yeah. 3-2. Pitch to Owen. Just missed, and the count goes full. Full count. Payoff pitch. Swing a ground ball off the tripod. And Leon is going to not get Drew at second. And Will is going to score the first run of the game.
Yeah, I know.
Rookie versus rookie here, and Mateo first pitch ball. Mateo has played 2 games for 2 different teams now. He's facing his former team. Trouble here for the Blizzard. 4 balls, no strikes, and it's a 5-pitch walk.
Like headlights over.
Headlights?
Yeah.
First pitch is a ball high and outside. Strike 1.
We gotta go.
1-1. Strike 2 on a foul tip into the zone. 1-2. Oh, blown in. Here's the pitch to Will. Got a corner.
Is that 1 out or 2?
That's the first out of the inning for the Blizzard. And now Leon can pitch the rest if he wants to, but he's gonna let Mateo stay in the game. Bases loaded for Drew. 1-0. And that is a strike. 1 ball, 1 strike. And that one just misses high and out on a fastball from Mateo. And that one misses outside again. 3-1. Pitch is 3-1, and a swing and a miss from Drew. Swing and a chopper foul. 3-2 is the pitch from Mateo. High. Count goes full to Drew. Full count. And that's a walk. 2-0 is your score. And Owen is up to the plate trying to do some damage here. First pitch is just a little low to Owen. That's a chopper. And it's going to be out at first. He's out. And we're headed to the bottom of the second. It's the lefty Drew.
Go, Drew.
First pitch just misses. 1-0. Swing and a miss on a riser.
There's the riser.
It's a 1-1 to the rookie. Oh, he got him. He sorted him. 1-2. Riser just low.
Just coach.
Curveball, got it. Strike 3. What a pitch from Drew. And that's the first out of the inning. Here comes Carson. Curveball, he got it again. Nice curveball. Riser, or fastball. Just low. 1-1. And another curveball. That one just misses in. 2-1. Wind is blowing, you got a strike. 2 balls, 2 strikes is the count from Drew. Oh. What? We need a radar gun so bad. Curveball. Just missed up. 4-2. Full count. Payoff pitch from Drew. It's high. And Leon will come up to the plate to face his former teammate. Drew stays in the game. First pitch is a curveball. Inside. 1-0. Runner on first. Riser low. 2-0. Steps out. Fastball down the middle. We may need a speed limit. 2-1 delay. Whoa!
I'm glad he's on my feet.
Curveball, got it! What a pitch from Drew. And the count is
2-2.
2-2. 2 balls, 2 strikes to Leon. He got him on a riser. And that'll end the inning.
Let's go.
The Lumberjacks will come back to bat in the top of the 3rd.
Hey, Kobe.
Yeah, I bet it was.
Because Drew was also.
First pitch was a foul ball. 0-1 pitch is low. 1-1. Swing and a miss. Mateo trying to end it. The at bat. Off the bucket. Throw to first. It's gonna be wild. And the ball is dropped. Isaac's still going. He's gonna stay at third with a triple. What a chaotic play by the Lumberjacks. And Isaac with his first career hit. First pitch is in the dirt. And that one, 2 balls, no strikes. Oh. 4-0 pitch. Oh, it went through the top broken part of the zone. 4-1. And he got it again. The count is full. Full count. And it's spiked. Will take first, and they're on the corners. Drew back on at the plate. First pitch. Oh, that was just sad. 4-0 from Leon. And Drew hits it, and that is a fair ball. 1 run will score. Will hold at second. RBI single for Drew. It's 3-0. Oh, and up to the plate. First pitch just misses low. Second pitch is a chopper. Can Leon make the play? Oh, no. And he got him at the plate. And he got him again.
That's the right. That's the goal.
Will out though. No, I got Will out. Out!
So they got one of the outs. Didn't get the second, and Isaac will come back to the plate. The homer will end it. Okay, 0-0. Hit foul. Isaac just missed that foul just straight back. Curveball over his head. 1-1 pitch. Nice pitch there from Leon. Sort of. I mean, it didn't really curve, but it works.
Yeah, what am I doing? Hey, I saw thunder!
Great. Got him! The Blizzard need 5 runs to tie the game and send it to extras. If they get anything less than that, the Lumberjacks will have their first win of the season. Will be on the mound. First pitch just misses low. Nice pitch from Will. 4 balls and no strikes to Mateo.
Isaac, you're in.
Isaac will come into pitch now. All right, the Blizzard do what they need to do. They get the leadoff guy on, and Isaac's too tall for this camera. 4-1 is the count, and that is spiked. The Blizzard get their first 2 runners on, and Owen will come into the game to try and lock it down here. First pitch just misses outside. 1-0. And that one just misses high. 2 balls and no strikes from Owen to Leon. Swinging a ground ball, and that gets through. Mateo is going to hold at third. And the bases are loaded. Mateo will come up to the plate. Drew is going to come in to try and stop the bleeding. It's bases loaded and nobody out. Mateo at the plate. First pitch, just low with a fastball. 1-0 is a curveball. 2-0 to Mateo. And that one gets to the top of the zone on a riser.
Yeah, that's what matters, I guess.
Oh, swing and a miss. What a riser from Drew. 2 balls, 2 strikes.
Come on, Drew.
Well, why am I swinging at that right?
The 2-2 pitch here. There's a curveball. He got him. He got him. That's the first out.
That's the stupidest strikeout.
First pitch, strike. 2 strikes away from ending this game and giving the Lumberjacks a 1-1 record. Second pitch, fastball outside. Infield is slightly in, it seems. Fastball misses. What? 2-1. And that's misses inside.
Let's go! We need to walk!
Can the Blizzard get on the board here and bring up the tying run in Leon? We will see. And he misses again. 4-1. He missed. First run of the game, a home run will tie it from Leon. Owen into pitch. First pitch is low. Curveball. Misses 2-0. Goes the screwball over his head. 3-0. 3 balls, no strikes to Leon. And it's high. The first 4 pitches all missed. 4-0. That gets the zone. 4-1. Fastball misses.
Let me do it. No, he's not going to swing. He's not going to swing.
This is a trampoline.
Trust me, he knows now. He's not going to swing.
Like literally.
He's not going to swing.
I don't know if it's big enough.
Come on.
Scores 5-2. Swing and a miss. I can't tell. 0-1. Just misses with the curveball. Good pitch by Owen. 1-1. And he swung, but it hit him, but he swung. 1 ball, 2 strikes.
Oh my.
And he tried to call it, but he did not. 2-2. Pitch from Owen. Outside. 3 balls, 2 strikes. And he missed again. It's going to be a payoff pitch here. Ground ball. Up the middle. Up the middle. Isaac throws it away. Here comes Carson. But he got him on the foot. Owen got him. Lumberjacks win 5-3. What a big hit for Mateo. But it ends in a win for the Lumberjacks. And that will do it. Lumberjacks are 1-1. The Blizzard are 0-1. And Owen gets a win back in the books.